It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. In this video, we are going to make this little tag that can be put on any kind of gift you want. I'm showing you the front and the back. It says to and from. And this is made out of, again, recycled cardboard from a cereal box. So let's get started. Okay, so what I did was I cut this first shape out of here. Now this one I'm going to cheat a bit. I'm going to just chase the shape here. But I did actually hand do the original shape out of cardboard earlier. Like this. Okay. So I'm going to just trace it around. Now, cut this down. Okay, and I took this, and I'll make it easier. This is how I like doing it to make it easy. I take glue. I just glue a little bit. Again, tacky glue, which I happen to use a lot. I use different kinds of glues, but this, for certain things, is really handy because it sticks really fast. I mean, it's not the fastest drying glue, but it does stick fast. Okay, so I go like this and put it to this is like a vanilla white cardstock, but you can use white card, any color you want on the back of this one. So let it sit for a bit. I just wanna have some fun while I'm waiting this glue to dry. Go away and see you later. I don't mean that you. Somebody's bugging me. But anyways, so let's, it's almost dry. And then I'm gonna go and trim this like this all the way around. And then I took a hole punch, centered it somewhere in here. Okay, so for this part, I'm going to put the original out. I'll move this out of my way. Right. Now if you look, there's a little sample for you. Alright, so what I did here was I took, well, I used to use Stampin' Up, and I like all their products, but I'm not here to promote Stampin' Up. I'm here to show you what to do with different stamp pads. It doesn't have to be that brand. And I just go here and sponge all the way around the edges. And go here. All right, so we're gonna go back this way. Okay, so you might have the punches, but you can cut whatever shape you want, or you'll have other flower punches. That's basically it. Or just do it, hand cut it. It doesn't matter. Just makes it easier. I have all this stuff, so that's what I'm going to use. One of these, and then I have the smaller punch. I'm gonna continue punching the little smaller one I got. So I'll show you what they look like, but you don't have to use these punches. See, it's a little bit this type of flower and this on two different punches I used. Okay, so then after that I sat there, and now these are alcohol markers. It's like a no-name brand. You can get it on Amazon, and I can leave a link, but and I took this shade of purple. I mean, you're not going to have the same brand, but it's just a lighter shade of purple. Oops. And I'm gonna, for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do all the coloring right now, but you'll get the idea. I go all the way around here and color this in. Okay, I'll do one little section of it. Then after I did that coloring of all that bigger flower, I came back with the darker one and I just did the edge of it. Now you could take the sponge and sponge around it. I just kind of like this color was a little deeper, but I'll show you. You can actually take a sponge and do the same thing if you like that better. That's pretty close anyways, and it's a little easier. So that became that flower. And this one, I used a yellow, and I went around like this and filled all that in with yellow. And then I put that, which I'll show you. I took the glue and put a little glue here and glued that on the center. And then I came along and I took a pearl. Again, you could have a sequence, whatever you want. I just thought it was kind of nice, this pearl. I take a pearl and I put that there. Right there. And I also put 3 up at the top. Doesn't matter which order you do this in, but it's kind of like I did here, put it here. All right. And then oops. I actually had a stamp set and it says thinking of you. So I grabbed this little one that says thinking of you. And I did this and stamped it on this pad. Okay, and then I cut the shape out. Whatever way you want to cut it out. Because, there we go. Just, if you have a punch that you'd rather use, then punch it out. I just preferred cutting it out around there. And then I took a sponge. Again, sponging that. A little dark here, but you get the idea. A little dark. And then I took glue and I glued it on there. Which, here, I'll show you right now. Piece there. Now, that is the front. And then I took a chalk marker, white chalk marker, and I went around like this. Little dashes all the way around. Now, what you can do though, that was the front. You can do this after if you want, and then the back becomes like that. So if you find it awkward to stamp, which you might, just take these pieces all off, which I will right now. Flip it around. And then what I got out of the same stamp set I have, I did this one. And I did over here. That looks good. And I put a to and from. You can hand write all this. You can hand design any way you want. But I have the stamps and they just make it easier to use. Anybody that's a stamper knows that these are really handy. Down like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There. I got a little splotch here, but you know, just take your time. You won't have that. And if not, it just adds character to the card. And I came along with the green one. And I just colored in here and here. And here. Wow. Yes. And I think it's the light purple I used. And in here. I mean, I'm going fast here, but I would take my time and make it a lot neater. You know, I don't want to waste too much of your time here on a video. So then I don't have them with me right now, but I took a little sequence right here and I put it right here. So that's kind of what it looks like. And obviously I took all the stuff off, but it will look like this. And then I took a ribbon, any kind, and put it here and attached it like that. I think it looks pretty cute. And you can use it on any kind of gift. Change the thinking of you to happy birthday, anything you want. Happy birthday, you know, could be any kind of gift. If somebody wasn't feeling well, get well, you know, it could be used on any kind. And the fact that I think is really cool is I made this mostly out of a cereal box. So I think that's a good idea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Thanks for now. Bye.